Hello everyone, and welcome back to Farm Wisdom. Today we're going to answer one of the most frequently asked questions in poultry farming. Is poultry farming profitable? If you've been considering starting your own poultry farm, or you just want to know if it's a good business opportunity, this video is for you. Let's break it down. So, first things first, what exactly is poultry farming? Poultry farming refers to the process of raising domesticated birds like chickens, ducks, turkeys, and geese for meat, eggs, or other products. The two main types of poultry farming are broiler farming, which focuses on raising chickens for meat, and layer farming, which is all about producing eggs. It's a growing industry, and many people are jumping in, hoping to reap the rewards. Now, let's talk about the costs involved in starting and running a poultry farm. This is a crucial part of determining whether poultry farming is profitable for you. First, there are initial setup costs. These include the cost of land, buildings, and the equipment you'll need like feeders, drinkers, and nesting boxes. Don't forget about housing too. Poultry need proper shelters to protect them from predators and the elements. Then, we have the recurring costs. Feed is the most significant expense in poultry farming. Whether you're raising broilers or layers, they need a consistent supply of food to grow healthy and produce either meat or eggs. You'll also need to budget for vaccinations, medications, and labor to keep everything running smoothly. Utilities and maintenance are also ongoing expenses that can add up over time. Finally, you'll need to account for variable costs. These can fluctuate depending on things like market prices, the quality of your feed, and local economic conditions. Next, let's talk about the revenue streams. In poultry farming, the main sources of income are eggs and meat. For egg production, layers can give you a steady, reliable income if managed well. You can sell eggs locally, in grocery stores, or even directly to customers. Broiler farming, on the other hand, focuses on meat production. Once your chickens are ready for market, you can sell them to butcheries, restaurants, or even directly to customers. But poultry farming doesn't stop there. You can also sell byproducts like feathers, which are used in various industries, and manure, which can be sold as organic fertilizer. If you're entrepreneurial, there are even additional opportunities, like processing chicken meat, offering farm tours, or creating value-added products like organic eggs or specialty meats. Now let's dive into the key factors that determine profitability. Scale of operation plays a huge role. Larger farms often benefit from economies of scale, meaning they can produce more at a lower cost per unit. However, small-scale farms can still be profitable if they manage their resources wisely. Market conditions are another factor. Prices for eggs, meat, and feed fluctuate throughout the year. When feed costs rise, it can eat into your profits, and when meat or egg prices drop, it can be tough to stay profitable. Staying informed about market trends is critical. Finally, management practices are crucial. Poultry farming requires careful planning, from keeping a clean environment and managing diseases, to controlling feed costs and ensuring your birds are well taken care of. A well-run farm will always be more profitable than one with poor management. Of course, poultry farming isn't without its challenges. Let's talk about some of the hurdles that can impact profitability. Diseases are one of the biggest threats. Illnesses like avian influenza, Newcastle disease, and coccidiosis can affect your flock and result in loss of income. A solid biosecurity plan and regular vaccinations are essential to prevent outbreaks. Another challenge is the fluctuating feed prices. Feed often makes up the largest portion of your operating costs, and when prices go up, it can significantly impact your bottom line. Keeping an eye on feed trends and finding cost-effective alternatives is key. Lastly, competition is a reality in the poultry industry. Large-scale operations often have more resources, which can make it harder for smaller farms to compete on price. But with a focus on quality, niche products, and good customer relationships, small farms can still thrive. So, what can you do to ensure profitability? Here are a few tips. One, cost-effective feeding. Look for ways to reduce your feed costs, such as growing some of your own feed or using local ingredients. 2, diversify your income streams. Don't just rely on eggs or meat. Consider selling manure, feathers, or processed products. 3, marketing is crucial. Build relationships with local customers and get creative with how you sell your products, whether it's through social media or direct sales. 4th, and of course, keep learning. The more knowledge you have about poultry farming, the better equipped you'll be to handle challenges and maximize your profits. So, is poultry farming profitable? The answer is yes, but with careful planning, good management, and an understanding of the market. While it can take time to build a profitable operation, with the right approach, poultry farming can definitely be a rewarding business. Thanks for watching Farm Wisdom. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or thoughts about poultry farming, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.